welcoming to my channel Travel Canvas. Please do like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Recently I have visited some of the most beautiful waterfalls from South India, especially Tamil Nadu, Kodaikanal. The rainy season is the best time to see the waterfalls in its full glory, and this place also offers you the opportunity for a short but an adventurous hike through the woods and amaze you with its scenic beauty. So let's begin. My favorite one is Kukkul Waterfalls. Is a hidden gem near Kodaikanal, only 35 kilometers away, and such a huge and magnificent one.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching.
Rattle Falls is another gorgeous waterfall in Kodaikanal. Nestled in the peaceful forest, this cascading waterfall is surrounded by trees, hills and large greenery all around.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
And this is Rattle Falls, famous for Bollywood shoot, and so I was being little dramatic.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know. If I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
The Lion Cave is one another, which is clean, deep and really satisfying.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
Hey, right now I am in front of Silver Cascade waterfall. About 7 kilometers away from the town is formed by the overflowing of Kodai Lake. A wide stream of gorgeous silvery water gushes down the rocks from about 200 feet during the rainy season, but it fills the surroundings with water droplets and cool breeze. This is Pumbaa Falls, is one of the most magnificent waterfalls in Kodaikanal. This is also known as a Grand Cascade, and it is about 4 kilometers from Kodai.
life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know. If I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
And this one is Fairy Falls. The enchanting Fairy Fall is the source of Pumbaa River. Due to its breathtaking scenic beauty, the Fairy Falls also makes up for a popular picnic spot.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is
On a clear day, Rattle Falls or Thalayar Waterfalls is visible from the Damdam Rock viewpoint on the Kodaikanal Ghat road, and it is also one of the tallest waterfall in India. And this is the end of this video. Hope you like this video. Please do like, comment and share. Please let me know if you have any questions in comment sections below. I will put the whole vlog in a while. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. Tada!